अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आर यू क्रेविंग फॉर समथिंग स्पाइसी, smoky and packed with flavor? Let me show you how to make the most delicious Kerala-style prawn roast that will leave you licking your fingers. Indulge in the irresistible flavors of Kerala with the spicy and aromatic prawn roast, perfectly coated in roasted masala and curry leaves. This dish brings the true taste of Kerala right to your plate. So chalo, shuru karte hain. So for this I have taken 250 grams of medium-sized prawns. I've weighed them after cleaning. So now for the first marination, take a bowl, add half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of garam masala powder and a pinch of salt. We will be adding more salt later. Add a little water and mix to a paste. To this, add the prawns, mix well, and now there's no need to keep for a long time. Keep it aside. I have also crushed a handful of shallots and 6 to 7 garlic cloves. Now to another bowl, let's mix some more spice powders. To this other bowl, add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon pepper powder. Mix with 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Also to this, add a pinch of salt. Add a little more water and mix well like a slurry. Keep it aside. I have also soaked plenty of curry leaves in water. I have also kept another teaspoon of coriander powder for later use. And I am using edible coconut oil. Now to a pan, add half a ladle of coconut oil. When the oil is slightly hot, add the marinated prawns and keep stirring on and off till done. It will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. You can increase or decrease the spices as per your spice preference, but for more color, use Kashmiri chili powder. Now let's get back to the prawns. They are 80% done. Drain the oil and remove to a plate. To the same remaining oil, add a little more coconut oil if necessary. To this, add a handful of crushed shallots and 4 to 5 garlic cloves also crushed. You can crush both of them together. Saute well. Add a little water while sauteing so that the masala does not stick to the bottom of the pan. And then add plenty of curry leaves and continue to saute on low flame till the raw smell goes. Now add the fried prawns and mix well. Continue sauteing. This quantity of masala is suitable for up to half a kg of cleaned prawns. Keep mixing well on low flame. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix again. Sprinkle a little water so that the masala coats the prawns. Now keep the flame on high and fry till almost dry. Goes very well as a side dish with boiled rice, Kerala-style curries, appam and chawal ki roti. Kerala-style prawns roast. Ready. So please do try it out. Ingredients and method as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.